Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account in the Victoria's Secret MENA application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the My Account button. And then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the very end, click on the Delete Account button. And as you can see, there's a few notices and warnings before clicking on the I understand button, and they are trying to convince you to stay. But if you really decide you want to leave and delete your account, you can leave a feedback on why, if you had like issues with the account, or you are just no longer interested in the application. Click on the privacy policy agreement, and then you can either change your mind and stay and delete your account. And then one more notice, click on delete, and your account is deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.